Hello all, today in this video I'm going to show object detection, mostly not no, familiarly rather than object detection. It is vehicle or cars detection in an image. First of all, we will see with an image. In the next video we can see with an video. So for in a image we don't need to convert it into frames since it's already in a image format. So here we are using a cars image. So the cars image which we are using is having many different types of cars. So we will first run the code and we will just see with the output, and after displaying the output we can just check what are the input and what are the output we are getting. So this is the output graph we have got, and you can see in the end if the cars number of cars detected is it is detected as 28. Here the algorithm we are using is blob analysis. Other than blob analysis, nowadays there are many algorithms which is betterly detecting the vehicles. If you see itself means you can see some vehicles are not detected, and also you can also note that the vehicles which are not coming with the same width, and we have specified a width and height which are not coming with that width and height. It is not considered as vehicles, so only it is not detected here. So nearly some classifications is there in this blob analysis method. So before moving into this, we are doing many morphological processing also, that is segmentation also goes. So here this is one of the morphological output. So this is also one another, and this is also one another. So here these are the outputs of morphological uh, thing, and this is the output of a filtered image. So this is the original image which is filtered. So original filtered image. So here we are detecting the number of cars. In the final output we got it as a 28, but nearly it is having some misclassifications too, since Bob analysis is an existing previous method. Now Bob analysis will also provide some better results, but some the misclassifications is also there. So this is the filtered image, and this is the original image. So then we can see the code. We are reading the image and then we are resizing the image. Then we are obtaining, giving some median filter and showing that, and then we are providing some morphological operations, and all the morphological operations are get into an image, and that is shown by using IMShow function. Then we are using this normalization functions also. For normalization function, we are using the Matlab default code, which is BW area open. Then we are creating a bounding box to we can see some squares which is displayed on the final image. No, that is nothing but the bounding box. So for bounding box creation, we are using the Matlab region props function. Then the number of cars detected we have to display. So after working with the bounding box results, we are just creating the number of cars detected, and it will be displayed. What is the number we got, it will be displayed over there. So this is the input of input and output for vehicle detection with image. So in the next video we can just see vehicle detection with video. Thank you.